Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to convert your image to OCR. So OCR means Optical Character Recognition. So that means the text on image, you can easily convert your image into the text format. So let me go here and type OCR image online. So now you can use different tools to get the text on image. Now let me go here and select one of the image, this one, and then here you can select the output format. So I want to get it plain text, then click on convert button. And now within few seconds you will get a result. Let me scroll down, and here you can see this one is the text on image. So in this way you can easily convert your image to the text using this OCR tool.